S3, Cadet Major Fionil Sandrino Jr. S4, Cadet Major Charmaine Joy M. Casili S5, Cadet Major Mark Huri Osea S6, Majorette Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Sheena May Buka, DLC Division Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Francis John Sison, Company Commander Cadet Major John Christian Sabas, Company XO Cadet Major Andre La Aurora, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Major John Lloyd Baron, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Major Cristel Corral, School President Mr. Roberto Palanga, School Consultant Dr. Dulce Atian, School Principal Dr. Mercy Samaniego Bo, CAT Facilitator Commander Midshipman Ensign Larry Jake Gerobi, Major Trainer Mr. Junil Tabalarte, DLC Trainer Mr. Feriano Sandino, Ensign number 19 Holy Trinity College CAT Santiago Bato Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 19, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Santiago Bato, Camarines Sur.